nature of being is always inconceivable and ineffable. The silent knowledge of being is indicated with Dakshinamurti. The essential instruction of the Maharshi's teachings is this silent knowledge of absolute being. Silence, he has said, is that state in which there arises no I. Where there is an absence of I, there is correspondingly an absence of this. That is, there is just undifferentiated existence, with neither ego nor the world of experience, so called. It is not even true to speak of it as being without these things, because these things, being illusory, are of the nature of non-existence. So how can one be without non-existence? The very nature of this being consciousness, realized in self-knowledge, is timeless, limitless, birthless, undecaying, deathless. It is invariable and it is non-dual, which signifies that there is no alternative to it. There is nothing other than that. It cannot be divided, nor separate from itself, nor has it been. And to realize this in yourself is the subsidence of the I notion or ego. The blissful revelation of this is self-luminous, for this knowledge is of the nature of consciousness itself and transcends any mental or sensory activity. For the sake of your own perpetual happiness, for the sake of your own eternal peace, for the sake of knowing reality as it is, that reality should know itself as it is, you should know yourself. To know yourself, trace your own sense of existence, which is invariable for all beings. Discern what the existence is, and abandon the misidentification with what it is not. Consider deeply within yourself, by the power of inquiry, if you can possibly be a body or have bodily characteristics or activities, if you can possibly be a mind or have mental characteristics or mental activities, and if you find that the body and the mind are not definitions for you, and their attributes are not yours, what remains? What remains of you? If this you is assumed to be individualized, an ego entity, further inquire. Who am I? In this manner, go beyond all suppositions and assumptions, and abide in true knowledge of yourself. Yourself is, after all, that inconceivable, ineffable, completely silent, that is unborn and uncreated, being, consciousness, bliss. Now all that has just been uttered is redundant to the self-evident. You yourself are that which is self-evident. Know yourself.